Let's take a look at the chart action for Chainlink. Okay, so here's what we're looking at. We have resistance right here, resistance right here. We have support right here, support right here. Let's do some trend lines. We have this top trend line, something like this. And then we have a bottom trend line, something like this. Let's set those up real quick. In my opinion, we have this triangle pattern, something like that. We got a breakout to the upside. We came down and retested it on this red candle right here. And it looks like this green candle is pushing us back to the upside. So what I'm doing is targeting from the top to the bottom of this triangle, dragging this to the breakout, and I'm looking at a target of approximately 27.40. In general, I think we're breaking out of this little zone right here, and I think we have resistance right here and maybe some more resistance right here. But I think if we could break this top right here at around 29.15 or something like that, 29.12, then I think if we could break that little resistance right there, then we'll be targeting this top up here at around maybe 34.72. The other thing we can do is if we zoom out a little bit more, we have resistance right here, and resistance right here. Let's set up another trend line, something like this. So I think this might be the ultimate target, like I was talking about, that top right here at around 34.75 approximately. Let's see what happens when we come up to this trend line right here, if we get rejected or if we're able to break through it. But I don't know, we've been getting rejected on it. Every time we came through it, we got rejected, came through it, rejected. So I don't know, it just depends on what happens right here, if we're able to push through it or if we get rejected and pushed down. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. There's this one more thing I want to show you. We have support right here. We have support, support, support. Let's do a trend line that's moving to the upside. This is the trend line that I'm watching until we break this trend line going to the downside. So we have this trend line going like this until we break this trend line going to the downside. Then I'm assuming it's pushing us up and at least pushing us to our target at around 27.37. If we switch back to the daily time frame, we can see this trend line. We could actually kind of move this trend line a little bit. You could see this trend on the daily time frame too. We have these support candles, something like this. So let's actually move this around a little bit. So we could actually watch this trend line on the daily as well. As long as we're riding this uptrend going to the upside, then we should be kind of targeting these previous resistance levels, or the previous resistance right here and this target right here. This resistance is sitting at around 29.50 or 29.47, and this target right here, 27.30 approximately. And then we also have this top up here at around 25.82, or the previous resistance right here at around 24.75. So yeah, it does look like we're riding an uptrend. Let's see how far we can take it. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like Chainlink, hit the thumbs up button. If you have any questions, check out my Discord. The link will be in the comments.